Hello and welcome to
Happy Kids Toys.
Happy Kids Toys, and today we are going to celebrate 20
5,000
subscribers. Yes. So to make that celebration nice and special, I've got two special guests in here. So they are my best friends. One is from
Thai Kids Toys.
and the other one is from
Fun Slide Toys.
Fun Slide Toys. So to make that even more special, we want to say thank you for watching our videos, for enjoying.
Yeah.
And we make this rail nice and special with the road, as you can see.
Yeah.
And there's a boat,
Yeah.
there's a sea,
sea animals.
there's a bridge, there's a nice and beautiful and colorful rail that we designed.
This jellyfish lights up.
It lights up, wow, glows in the dark. And we also have, what is that in the middle?
A rocket.
A rocket and space shuttle.
Yeah.
We got the space shuttle, so we're gonna launch the space shuttle.
Yeah.
2, 3.
Wait, you don't even need to count.
No?
It counts by itself.
Okay. Up. Wow. That is awesome.
Yeah. There's even a pilot inside.
Wow, the pilot.
Or astronaut.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, we can still see like a fire underneath.
That's what I do when it lights up. Yeah. And they even separate.
They separate this. That is cool.
It's one of my favorite toys.
Wow. I'm glad we got all of your favorite toys in here. Cool. So let's go back in here and make it even more special. And to make it even more special, we have like a Japanese garden.
Yeah, and then with this too. But then this is the most favorite thing. You can press it and then make this noise.
I like that noise. That's cool.
Yeah, me too. It's like a temple.
Yeah,
Thing.
definitely.
Yeah. The same temple.
And yeah, it's like a bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, let's launch our numbers to make it a special celebration for 25,000 subscribers.
So let's start.
Let's get started. Let's get rolling. Oh dear, the numbers is just want to roll off the table. Okay, which thing we gonna put on the rail to make it that celebration special? Smart Tech from Brio. Oh, the numbers are running away.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
Okay, the train is coming. Oh, he got the numbers. And let's go. That's an awesome track. I like it, so colorful.
And I forgot to tell you, there's also a bridge.
Really, what does it do?
And it comes down.
This cut is fresh.
For this kind.
Okay, that's why we need to lift the bridge so that all the trains go underneath. That is awesome.
That's how the smart tech can do.
now the smart track train can go.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from
And we have a nice cross in there.
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
You love this train. Wow, what is that section in here? We can see, what's this?
It's a train
Wow, that is amazing. Yeah, show me. What does it do? How does it work?
So, like this comes to get this, put this down, and then the ship comes,